Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what next in your love life. It's a pick a card reading, so you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose red pile? What next in your love life? So pile number 1, who choose red pile? Next in your love life is there is some peace will restore. No matter what is the current situation you are in, very soon you will find some peace, or at least you will feel some peace in that situation. You are going to take some action which will make things peaceful. Either you are leaving something which is not serving you, at least which is making or creating some kind of difficulties in your love situation, in your love life or relationship. So finally you are decided to leave that things, whatever creating problems in your love life, those things, either those are mental thoughts or any kind of distance is there. If at all you are distance from your loved one, you are going to travel towards them, so that the distance will be gone. If you are feeling any kind of separation, that is going to end. Something you are going to leave, something you are going to end something. If at all any kind of, if you have any kind of conflicts in between you, you are going to let go of that conflicts. So because of the decisions, because of that action, whatever you are going to take, because of that action, the peace will be restored in that situation, in that love situation. Maybe currently I think there is no peaceful, or there are some ups and downs in this area of your life. So finally you are going to take some action which will restore the peace in that situation, which will help you to move towards the calmer waters with your partner. If at all if you are facing any kind of challenges also regarding in your love situation, finally you are going to find the ways to face those challenges. And you are going to clear the challenges. It is clearly regarding your thought process, I can say. Maybe if at all you may be having some different opinions, or you may be having some negative thoughts, or they may be having some negative thoughts. You both are not on the same page currently or in the past. Now you both will be on the same page. You are going to come to the conclusion where you both will agree with each other. So because of that also, you are going to restore that peace in that relationship or that situation. So finally, no matter what is going on currently in your area of love, very soon you are going to feel peace, some kind of calmness. If at all you are going through so many obstacles or so many conflicts, you are not happy with each other, very soon that conflicts will be going to end. Either you are going to compromise, either they are going to compromise. Anyway, that's the reason. You both will be on the same page. Now you both are not on the same page. So next, in future, definitely you both will be on the same page. So you both travel towards each other, or you both will take some decisions. Either you will compromise 50%, they will compromise 50%. So you both will get some kind of understanding in between. So that is also will help you to get this peace in this situation, to restore that peace in this situation or the relationship. So let's move on to pile number 2, who choose green pile. What next in your love? So pile number 2, who choose green pile. What next in love? I think you are going to feel hopeless. There may be some disagreements are going on in your partnership. This is a pure partnership card, I can say. Two people are not agreeing with each other. They may be having different opinions. So in the past, you may be having a lot of hopes regarding to this relationship or situation. Maybe currently you are not feeling that confident, or you are feeling hopeless about the situation, whatever situation you are in, regarding your love life. So you are not feeling good enough, or you are not feeling hopeful regarding that partnership or whatever relationship. I think this is going to continue for some more time. This energy will be there for some more time. In the next also, there will be no change in that situation. You are going to experience same things, I can say, where two people are not agreeing with each other, because this here it is a quite good partnership where they can intellectually understand each other, but here that is not existing. Here maybe you are very far from your partner also, or you are going to travel. I can say that maybe you are in separation currently, and in the future also there is no signs that you are going to get together very soon. Maybe it will take some time more, because this energy will be stay for some more time. Here I can say that you need to be hopeful. First thing, if at all anything is there that you need to work out on yourself, you need to do that, because when two people are in separation, it is a high time that they need to work on themselves. That separation will be created for the reason why people get separation is they need to work on themselves without the other person. That work should be done individually, not together. They cannot work on themselves as a team. That is the reason universe create that separation, so that in that separation they can work on each other individually. It is very necessary. So here I am getting strong message that you may be separation from your partner. You people need to work on yourself, either you or them. If you both are separation, means definitely you both need to work on yourself individually. You need to work individually. So you may be having some issues regarding your relationship or past issues, any kind of, you maybe need some healing. So that should be happening in this situation. So pile number 2, whoever selected this pile, you are in separation and you are feeling hopeless. But the thing is, here you need to understand something. It is a very high time, or it is, you are blessed to have this time to work on yourself. So stop thinking hopeless or negative. Don't entertain any kind of negative thoughts, because this time is very precious to you, I can say. This, if at all you are alone also, lonely also, that alone time is very precious to you, because you need to work on yourself. You need to clear your issues. You need to fix something in yourself regarding that relationship, or regarding with you, your personal things. It is not about relationship also. There might be something, maybe some things you need to fix, which will help you to create some long-term bondings in relationships. That work is must here. So take this time as a blessing, and you need to use this time to work on yourself. So that is the reason maybe this energy is going to continue. This separation energy will be going to continue for some more time. You are not going to meet your partner as soon as possible. Maybe it will take 2 months time. It is 2 of wands, so maybe 2 months to 2 years. Depends on your situation. You may be very far from them. This world card is there. World is there in hands. So maybe you people are, see, the thing is, if at all you are very near to you also with each other, the mentally you both are not connected. Your thoughts are very far from each other. And so that's why this work is very important here. You both need to work on yourself. After working on yourself, based on your work, you will get back to each other. Here, file number 2, the message is, what next in love is, here you are not going to meet your partner. Whether you are single or married couple, you are in a relationship also. This separation will be continued for some more time. So in this separation, you need to work on yourself. So before that, what problems you had, I don't know, and maybe because of that problems, universe gave you this separation time, alone time, where you need to work on yourself. If at all you work on yourself, that past problems will be cleared. You can start your relationship with a fresh note. If at all you are not working, if you are not utilizing this time effectively, and you are not working on yourself, whatever problems you had in the past, that problems will be continued in the future also. So it will be common that this separation will be going on. If at all you are staying in the same house also, the separation will be there. I hope you got the point. So it is very important. So what next in your love is working on yourself, both people. If it are involved also, if it are not involved, if you are a single person, you are looking for a partner also, first you need to work on yourself. After completing working on yourself, you are going to meet your partner. So if at all you are single, if you are already mingled with someone, then also you need to work on yourself, so that you can start that relationship with a fresh note in a good way, or which will help, this work will help that relationship to stay longer. Okay, so let's move on to pile number 3. What next in love? So point number 3, what next in love? If at all you have any kind of third party situation in your love life which is disturbing your relationship or love life, that is going to end. Here when I say third party, it doesn't mean that person. It may be their work, their family, the distance, any kind of thing, any kind of obstacle will be called as a third party. So don't consider it as a single person, okay? So maybe in the past you maybe had problems with third party, some disturbances from other people, outside people. Because of that you may be not having good times or happiness in your relationship or love life. So very soon this third party situation is going to end. Whatever obstacles is there, whether it is a person, whether it is a job, whether it is their profession, whether it is a distance, that is going to end. But the thing is here, there is a chances that you need to take this relationship one step at a time, because maybe in the past you may be struggled with so many problems, so you did not have much time or you did not enjoy good time in this situation or relationship. When you cleared all these problems, it is natural that you don't think about other things. You will take yourself far, or there is a chances that you are going to indulge yourself overly. So that should be taken care of. Here you need to take care of it. Of course, the third party situation will be gone, but the thing is here, still you need to be very careful. You need to be take one step at a time. You should give time to each other. Instead of getting obsessive over each other, you should give some space and time to each other to understand the things clearly, step by step. Don't overdo anything in that relationship regarding to this love and relationship matter situation. Don't do anything, don't overdo anything, okay? Don't get indulge yourself more in this situation, because there is a huge chances, because maybe you people had so many disturbances. Once those all obstacles got cleared, it is a natural that you are going to indulge very much, which is not good for you and as well as the situation. So it is very important you to understand that you need to take time, and you both should be spend time together as well as give time to each other separately, okay? Don't get obsessive over each other. That's what I want to tell you. Don't overindulge yourself in the situation, only in love. Concentrate on your careers, concentrate on some other, give time to your family, give time to your friends, give time to your careers, okay? Give time to each other. Just don't blindly get into the relationship and forget about everything, okay? Don't do that thing. Here why I am telling you is there is huge chances, because after getting this freedom, it is one kind of freedom, because so many obstacles is there. Because of that you are not enjoyed your love life. Finally you are coming out of all those obstacles, that problems are getting cleared. So it is natural that you are going to forget about everything and you are going to overly indulge in this situation, which is not good for you and your future. So that you should be take care of, okay? everything will be fine, I can say, because anyway no one will be there to disturb you. You both will be happy, but the thing is, don't overdo it. So let's move on to pile number 4, who choose yellow pile. What next in your love life? So pile number 4, who choose yellow pile. What next in love? See, I think it is already happened. There are so many misunderstandings in between you. This is a 2 of cups. It is a very good relationship, but don't know what happened in the past. Currently there are so many misunderstandings in this relationship. So I don't think it is going to clear as soon as possible. It will be stay for some more time. The thing is here, there is no communication. You need to communicate clearly. It is no communication means it is not that you are not talking to each other. The thing is, both are not talking honestly. You both need to have honest conversation. Here it is very important. That is missing here. That honest conversation is missing here. You may be having feelings, but the thing is, you both are not sharing that honest feeling with each other. You may be hiding those feelings. It is very important. It is a guided relationship. It is protected. But the thing is, if you want to take this relationship forward, it is very important that you both should be honest with each other. First thing, you should be honest with your own feelings. Because here, there is love between each other, but the thing is, these people are not ready to express their love to each other. No matter why you people are not expressing, that is depends on your situations. But here, you both are loving each other. You both know that. But the thing is, you both are not expressing each other. So that's why. First thing, if at all if you are not accepting your own feelings, accept the feelings. Be honest with yourself. Accept the feelings. Both should be do that, because here both people having same problem. Both are not expressing their feelings to each other. And if at all you are accepting that you both are loving each other, it is very important you both should convey that love to each other. Here these people are not doing that. They are not expressing their feelings towards each other. It is very important. I can say that communication is very important. That honest conversation is very important in this relationship. Here I cannot say this, whoever choose pile number 4, you are not single. If at all you are a single, go and select some other pile, because this is purely they are in relationship, but the thing is they are not expressing with each other. So you have someone in your mind. If at all you are physically not with them, at least you have that feelings for someone. So purely you don't have anyone, this pile is not suitable for you. This pile is not for you. Choose other pile. So here 2 people are having feelings and emotions for each other, but the thing is they are not expressing their feelings to each other. So here, what next in love? You need to express, you need to open up, you need to communicate. If at all you are not communicating, this situation will be stay same. But the thing is, these people will be together because it is divinely guided and it is guarded. It is protected. This relationship is protected, and they are already union in the spiritual realm. They are together in spiritual, maybe they are connected spiritually. You both are connected spiritually, whether you know it or not. Here in the 3D, maybe you are not together, but in the 5D, you both are together. So that's why this relationship won't go anywhere. You both will be together, but the thing is, what next in love? If you want to bring this union in the 3D, you need to have that honest conversation. If you don't want to bring that union in the 3D, or if at all you are not going to communicate with each other, you are not going to express your emotions, feelings to each other, in the 3D there will be no change. Whatever situation is there, that will be stay same. So now it is depends on you, because anyway this relationship is existed in the 5D. If you start communicating, if you express in the 3D also, it will be existing. If you won't, it will be there in the 5D. Maybe it will take some time, that's it. But anyway, these people are meant to be together. Pile number 4, whoever you are with, no need to worry, they are meant to be you both are meant to be together. This person won't go anywhere. They are for you. They are your person. But here need to express the feelings to bring this relationship or bring this union in 3D, because it is already existed in 5D. So let's move on to pile number 5, which is blue pile. What next in love life? So pile number 5. What next in love? There may be some secrets in your love life, or you are in relationship or in love with a person who is very mysterious, very secretive. They won't reveal anything. High priestess. So what next in love is, you are coming to know more things about them. I don't think they are going to tell you, because high priestess never reveal their secrets. Maybe universe will help you to know about them, why you are connected with them. When you get the high priestess, I don't think the thing is here, high priestess is not for love. They are like a teacher. They teach the lessons to the people. In love situation, if you are getting this kind of card, means this situation or this relationship will teach you some toughest lessons of your life. Here, what next in love? Don't expect anything good, I can say, because this situation will teach you so many lessons, very toughest lessons, and you should be, it is very good actually. After learning, it is very necessary. When it is high time that you are avoiding to learn the lessons, then universe send this high priestess in your life intentionally. When universe is throwing so many tower moments to know, to change, to do that inner work, when you are avoiding all those tower moments intelligently, then you will get this high priestess. So here, maybe you have someone in your life who is very mysterious and they are not revealing anything. You fall for them. I don't think they fall for you, because high priestess never love anyone. That's for sure, because they are very much focused about their responsibilities. They give first priority to their responsibility. If they came in your life, means there is some purpose. They won't came simply. If you have someone in your life as high priestess, they never came like other people. There is a strong purpose. Because of that purpose, universe send this high priestess in your life. So here you may be wondering about this person. These things you are going to, of course, half of the things I already revealed you. That is what in the next in your love life is you are going to know more about this situation, this person, whoever involved is, or whoever you are in love. You are going to know more about this situation, this person, and the purpose of this person in your life. Here I can say, I want to suggest, they are in your life for a reason. It is a very common thing. See, when we are studying in schools, colleges, when we are studying any institution, when we are learning something, we fall for our gurus, teachers. It's very natural. We fall for some particular subjects teacher. When they explain us very nicely, we will get attracted to them. We fall for them. That kind of relationship it is. They are in your life to teach some valuable lessons. So now you should understand whether you need to have such kind of feelings. It's okay to have that kind of feelings till you learn the lessons, because when you love your teacher, that subject, you will understand that subject very clearly, and in your life you never going to forget that subject, because you are very much connected to that person. When you connected to that person, you are so much interested to learn so many things from that person. So here nothing wrong if you have feelings, but the thing is, don't get serious about it. You understood, I think, because it is like teacher-student relationship. So this person is your teacher. If at all you are falling for this person, you just understand how you fall for your teacher when you are a student. So this person is here for some purpose. They need to teach you. That's it. They cannot avoid it. You cannot avoid it. They need to teach you because they are your teacher. The universe appointed them as your teacher. Even they cannot avoid it. And you need to learn, because you are a student now. Whether you want it or not, you need to learn. So anyway, you came into this reading, that's why I'm telling, understand the relationship first. It is teacher-student relationship, okay? Moreover, concentrate on learning the lessons, because here you are going to, what next in love means, you are going to learn about this person, you are going to learn the lessons, you are going to learn the purpose, why they came. It is a very difficult. Knowing our purpose is very difficult. It is not a normal journey, or it is not normal thing. When you want to know the purpose, when universe decided to tell you the purpose why you are in, it is a very difficult process. You need to go through some difficult times. Then only they will reveal you what is the purpose. In that process, you will understand what is the purpose of your existence on this planet. So here it is a very tough time to you, file number 5, whoever chose, but don't get scared, okay? Because it is a process, that's it. It will be tough, but it is a process. Nothing will happen. You just surrender yourself. Your teacher is there. You are a student. Learn whatever is they are teaching you. Learn as a very good student, okay? If at all you are not surrendering, if you want to control the process, then you will suffer. You will feel painful and you will suffer. If at all you are not doing any kind of things, controlling the process, or you want to do things on your own, it won't not going to work out. This teacher is very strict. So it's very natural. They are going to give punishments also. Exactly. This relationship is like teacher and student relationship. Just that's why in the initial only I said, just whenever you are feeling that this person is punishing you, think that your teacher is punishing you because you did something mistake. Okay, some mistake. So file number 5, all the best. It is a very difficult journey, but you need to do that because it is a high time. High priestess came into your life means it is a very high time. You need this teacher right now. That's why they came. After learning the lessons, you will be having very good life. Of course, after completing our studies, we will move forward in our life with that certificates. In the same way, after learning your lessons, you will be more matured, more wise. You will know how to handle the things. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.